Hello all, welcome back to the second episode of this CrossTalks. Here we have Purushotham K, who is working as a cybersecurity analyst and who has very great experience in this role. And here Purushotham will be explaining about virtual private networks, which is shortly called as VPNs. And for whom who are watching this video, they don't need any prior experience to watch this video and to know about these VPNs. And let us introduce Purushotham to you. Hi Purushotham.
Hi, Hunor. Hi, all.
Yeah, how are you doing, Purushotham?
Yeah, I'm doing great. How do you do?
Yeah, I am doing it. And before introducing like Purushottam, he will be explaining about this VPNs. Before that, Purushottam will just discuss about your role. What are the current role and what are you doing currently?
Okay. I recently joined one organization and been with this project since January. And I'm working with the cybersecurity analyst with the tool's name is Zscaler, which is working as a both proxy and VPN. And my current role is to manage the user traffic.
Mhm.
We have some customers for this project, and we have to manage their traffic, user traffic, web traffic, and the application traffic. So this is all about me.
Traffic in the sense it is like network traffic, right? It is a network like passing through this when we are using internet, like sending the signal from one place to another place. This is nothing but the traffic, right? Group of people using internet. Like,
Yes,
if I am not
exactly.
wrong, can you explain about this? What is traffic exactly? Network traffic here.
So traffic means um, some kind of signals it will send to the destination. So what you are trying to access, the application will call as a destination, and from where you are accessing is called a source, and you are requesting some information from the server, right? So
Yeah.
for that request, we will send some signals by packets. When we go deep into the network layer, it will come. So packets, those packets altogether called as a traffic.
Okay, great. Okay, Purus, now let us discuss more about this VPNs actually. Like,
Yeah.
first of all, start with the definition so that everyone can easily understand, right?
So by the name itself, we can understand the virtual private, which is not real, or not real to physical. Okay.
Yeah. Mm.
Private means whichever it is not seen to the public via internet. So here internet, which means publicly accessible to all, to everyone.
Yes.
When we're using VPN, it will be eliminate from the internet traffic. So it will be only the private.
Okay. In the here in this picture, we can see like as you have said, if you don't use this virtual private network, the information passed from you to the social network or internet can be seen by the hackers, corporates, or government as shown in the image. But as you mentioned, if we use this VPN, these hackers or some other people, third person, cannot see the information that is passing through you and the internet, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, Push, in this video, in the next slide actually.
So in the next slide, we can see the difference with the VPN and without VPN, what will happen.
Yeah, give me a second. Yeah, here's the slide.
So this, yeah, we can understand in this slide how VPN works. In the first image, we can see with VPN. The user device means whichever the device we are using,
Yeah,
and if we connect the VPN in our system, via it won't go to, it will go to via internet traffic, but it will be encrypted in the specified tunnels.
like before
Okay, it
going
will
to the
reach to the
internet.
VPN.
Okay, before going to the internet server, it will be secured like to the VPN client, right?
Yes, we
Okay,
have some protocols in the VPN also. Some are VPN IPsec tunnels,
okay,
Internet Protocol Security.
Okay.
Okay, it is on protocol. It will uses in the VPN functionality. It will encrypt the data. We can see if any hacker intercept that traffic also that hacker also won't able to see the actual traffic.
Yeah.
So
Even
it
not.
will encrypt it with some algorithm. So when you connected VPN service, the traffic will be encrypted via internet also. So
Okay.
it will go to the VPN server and then go to the internet, whichever destination you are able to or want to accessing. Okay,
Okay.
just like let's take an example. If you want to access some application, let's say take some Instagram or Facebook.com.
Okay.
So if you use with VPN, the internet service provider also won't see any traffic you are using. Basically, what happens when you use without VPN, all the traffic can be monitored by the internet service provider. Let's
Okay.
say you are accessing some user broadband internet service provider, they will able to see your traffic.
Yeah.
Okay, so with VPN, they won't able to see your traffic. It will be encrypted.
Yeah.
So recently we heard about this rule right in the India came to the VPN service providers also need to capture the user's traffic, right?
Yeah. I also heard about that news. Like the VPN service providers should keep a log of the user up to 180 days, and if any cyber crimes happens, they should report to the like one offices and their respective offices within 6 hours. The cyber crime has happened, and I have also heard some of these servers like not companies have obeyed to this, and some still haven't obeyed to these protocols.
Yeah, we have both advantages disadvantages in this scenario.
Yes. Yes.
Just like the advantages will be users' privacy.
Yeah.
See, the term virtual private network is resembles as a private privacy,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So user believe that if you use this VPN service, they can have the privacy. But with this rule in India, now users are
Yeah.
much
This definition doesn't make sense.
problematic.
This definition doesn't make sense if these rules get into it, right?
Uh,
Mm. And also,
and without VPN also,
mm,
we can see that the traffic will go through the
yeah, like
internet service provider, then to the destination.
any third party user or any third party system or anything has access to see what the user is searching. Or if you search, for example, what I understood is like if you search any mobile, like if you search about this mobile, Redmi mobile, it first go to the internet service provider and then to the internet. Now if you use
Yeah,
VPN, or like the any user, like third party user cannot have access to see what you are searching. If you don't use VPN and if you directly use, like he has no access to see what are you searching and what are the things you are doing. Like, it is open to everyone if you don't use VPN.
if even though VPN service provider also can see your traffic,
Yes, I think
but
not
but
VPN.
they have a yeah, but they have a logs for that.
Yeah, I think not VPN is the one of the largest VPN service provider in the world, right?
Yeah, here internet service provider will act as a man in the middle.
Yes.
So basically, what is the requirement of VPN? You heard about VPN in your daily life while browsing. So when it comes to business, professional business, the companies you are using VPNs because they have the private applications which are not, they don't want to uh, deploy in the traffic, internet traffic.
Yes.
So for that, so business applications related to internal application, the business companies they wanted to keep this safe only to the employees only.
Okay.
So for
We can
that they use the VPN
we can
services.
say it like by sitting in our home, we can use the company's VPN and we can access their network and we can use that network, right, by using this VPN. It is like a
Yes.
tunnel connecting between
Yeah.
our network and any network in the world. Like by
Yeah.
by sitting in our home, we can access that network in a company. We can share files. We can update anything using that network using via VPN. Okay,
Yeah.
Purus, while hearing about this VPN or while discussing about this VPN, we'll come to the term called proxy, right? How is it differed from VPNs and what exactly proxy is? Could you explain a little bit detail about these proxies and how it will be differ from these VPNs?
Okay. So the term proxy means the traffic which will you are requesting from the server. It without proxy, it will go to the direct, which means the through the internet service provider, it will go to the server. But with the proxy, the server will see as the requester will be the proxy, not your actual IP.
Okay, it is like a fake fake server, right? It is like a fake IP address. It is coming the fake IP address,
Yes, but
and
the term fixed
yeah,
IP
and
is not correct.
we usually use this proxy word in the attendance, right? Like attendance proxies. It is like in that application we can say it like the student is not present in the class, but he is getting attendance because he is like we are giving the proxy to the user, right?
So in this slide, we can see we have one firewall
Mm.
where all the traffic, inbound traffic and outbound traffic will be monitored through the firewall. Okay, if the traffic
Okay,
is for any protocol which is used for the TCP layer, if the rule is there for the allowed, it will allow, otherwise it will deny access, and then it will go to the proxy server.
okay.
Okay,
Firewall is here
then
nothing but
it
like.
will,
Can you explain about this firewall here?
yeah, the firewall which is used for the traffic monitoring,
Okay,
where all the traffic you can create a rule for this firewall rule, which means it will only if the rule matches for this particular traffic, it will only allow this much traffic
okay, Purus.
or with the identity.
Yeah, what you have said and what I observed in this diagram, what I understood is like when we run an application or when we run a program, it will go through the firewall, and firewall has certain rules and some protocols. If that application which is going through this firewall matches or obeys these rules and protocols, then only it will be passing through the firewall, or else it will be blocked through by the firewall. Yes.
Yes, let's take example for the rule. Let's say there in the rule there will be some fields like server, destination, that protocol, or the application. Okay,
Uh,
these are
yes.
the fields we define. In the server, source, in the source we will define our IP. In the destination, we will define the destination whichever we need to access. Let's take example some websites, some google.com or some
O-
facebook.com.
Okay.
So they will have some servers for the same application, right? So in the
Yes.
destination, we will define that IP and the traffic protocol. We have
Okay.
some traffic protocols, and the web traffic will be go via 443, and it will
Okay.
be HTTPS protocol, which
Yes.
means hypertext. It will go in the via secure way.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so
Yes.
we will define with this port and protocol. Similarly, if the action will be there, we need to allow our block. In the
Okay.
corporate network, we will see that we not allowed to use any WhatsApp
Yeah.
application
That is
or
that is
Facebook or Instagram.
yes.
So that is based on this firewall rules.
Okay. So that's the reason why
Similarly, this is
that.
the outbound traffic from our system. It will go into their server. Similarly,
Okay.
we have some outsiders which are trying to access requesting our data,
Mm,
and then there might be some attackers also. So in
yes.
that case, we will create one rule like serve source and destination, and this particular if you receive request from unknown IPs or unknown person, we will block the action so they won't able to come inside our network.
Okay. Okay. This firewall is the reason because we don't have access to use WhatsApp or some applications in our company laptops, right? This is the main reason. Firewall. They have
Yes,
built a firewall such that they have built certain protocols, certain rules according to their requirements.
yes. So what we can manage it if we use any firewall or proxy, we can manage the user traffic, all the users traffic. So
Mm,
he can the proxy manager or firewall manager can see what user traffic is using
yeah.
at
Like.
particular time, or whether he is able to downloading any files from the internet, whether that files are safe to download or any malicious content is there. So these all managing by the proxy provider or the firewall.
Okay. That means the user or the owner can see data that is used by the that is operated by the user, right? He has overall
Yeah,
access, like what he is searching or anything which is going through the internet. The owner has access, right, to see what the user is
yes,
searching. Yeah.
yeah.
Great.
So when we use a proxy, all the traffic will go to the server's destination will be not your your IP. It will resemble as a proxy's IP. So
Okay.
they will come to know that the actual IP which is not yours, it will be proxy IP.
Okay. Okay. Purush, I came to know that the difference between this VPN and proxy is like VPN, this proxy is only for an app or any site, but when it comes to VPN, it is for the whole network, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's all. Okay, Purush, I think we have come to an end, and I think we have gained more knowledge, more valuable knowledge about this VPNs, proxies, and a detailed knowledge about these firewalls. And I would like to thank you very much for joining this episode of this Crosstalks and giving this insightful information about these VPNs and proxies. And thank you, Purush.
so
And
it's my and looking forward to see more videos from your channel
yeah,
about the
sure,
where we
Purush.
discussing about the other technologies.
Yeah, we'll be coming with more videos so that this will be very useful for the people who need basic about this any project or any kind of concepts. We'll be coming with the new videos here. Thank you, Purush.
Thank you.